The 5 accused at the sexual assault trial are hearing from a retired London police detective who initially interviewed most of them back in 2018. Steve Newton told the court he spoke with 4 of the 5 players about what happened with a young woman in a downtown London hotel room. Testifying remotely, Newton told the court about a female complainant he had spoken with in the days after the allegations. He said weeks later, once word got out, in July of 2018, some of the lawyers started to reach out. When referring to David Humphrey, the lawyer for one of the accused, Michael McLeod, Newton said he had some videos he wanted to release to me. The officer eventually met with McLeod and Humphrey in Toronto for a taped interview in November of 2018. It was shown to the court, and in it, McLeod seems calm answering the questions about what he said transpired in room 209 at the Delta Armories Hotel. McLeod says after partying downtown with the female and other players, they all got back to his room and he ordered food. Once in the room, he says the female was acting out, saying, "We were drunk, but not blacked out drunk." She kind of wanted to do stuff with other guys, like, "Who wants to have sex with me?" McLeod tells the officer he took a couple of videos with her, saying, "I made sure she was okay with it, and she said yes." He added, "I was worried something like this might happen, so I took that first video." McLeod, along with the other accused, Carter Hart, Alex Formenton, Dylan Dubé, and Cal Foote, have all pled not guilty to sexual assault. The charges stem from an alleged incident at the hotel involving a group of men and a lone female in June of 2018. It's the same time the former World Junior Hockey players were in London attending a Hockey Canada gala to celebrate their gold medal win from earlier that year. The initial police interview with Michael McLeod lasts about 1 hour and 15 minutes. At the time, he's told he's not under arrest for anything, and he can end the process at any time. Months after the interview, London police would close the case. However, it would come to light again after the female complainant settled a civil lawsuit with Hockey Canada in 2022. Then in July of that year, London officers would reopen the investigation and the players would eventually be charged in 2024. Newton resumes with his testimony on Wednesday when we are expected to hear more surrounding the players' interviews.